Stretching yourself. The comfort zone is a trap. It's a trap most people can't recognize because of how good it feels. But true greatness can never be achieved inside the comfort zone. If it were truly that easy, then everyone would have done it by now. What I learned at the Discover Yourself workshop by Sadath Khan sir was this: you need to push yourself. That is the mark of a true leader. Not one who does good when it is convenient to him, but one who does good despite the inconvenience he may have to suffer. Before the workshop, I would never have pushed myself to do more. I liked the comfort zone, I liked certainty, and I liked sticking to what I knew. But the workshop changed my perspective on that. I started to realize that I was stagnant and not growing. I needed to get my hands dirty, and I needed to face the feeling of discomfort. And that is what I did. And I emerged as a stronger and wiser person after pushing through the discomfort. It was completely worth it. I was introduced to a new feeling of victory that I would never have experienced had I not stepped out of my comfort zone. I was only able to grow like that and succeed because I stepped out of my comfort zone, because I stretched myself.